Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manually open a Ford Escape trunk. First, you'll need to find the primary trunk release button, which is typically located on the driver's side dashboard to the left of the steering wheel. This button often features an icon of an SUV with its rear hatch lifted. Simply press this button once, and the trunk or rear hatch should pop open, allowing you immediate access. Always make sure your Ford Escape is safely in park before you try this. Another common way to open the trunk is by using your key fob. Press and hold the trunk or liftgate button on your key fob for approximately 2 seconds. Some newer models might require a double press. You can also find an external release button directly on the liftgate handle, often near the license plate. This exterior button usually works when your intelligent access key fob is within 3 feet of the vehicle. Sometimes the trunk might not open due to a simple issue. First, check the latch area for any objects that could be blocking it, like luggage or debris. A low car battery can also affect electronic releases, so ensure your battery has enough charge. Finally, consider checking the fuse box for the fuse related to the trunk release mechanism. A blown fuse is a common cause of this problem. If you've tried these steps and your Ford Escape trunk still won't open, it might be time to seek professional assistance. A qualified mechanic can diagnose more complex electrical or mechanical issues that might be preventing the trunk from opening. It's always best to avoid forcing the trunk open, as this could cause further damage to the latch or the vehicle's body. Safety and proper repair are key to resolving persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.